How's it going, guys? Chris back here again with some more Brawl here on M2G Arena. Got it right this time. See, I am slowly but surely learning. This is a Rocco deck. I don't know. After doing Midnight Magic and building a couple of decks, I was feeling kind of down. So I built a Toolbox deck that would answer anything that Arena might throw at me that would make me feel sad. And that's the idea with this Rocco deck. If there's a problem on the board, you cast your buddy Rocco, and he finds you an answer to that problem. You got yourself a Panharmonicon. Like, there's a lot of good stuff going on. Hello, opponent. Please stop casting things. Do anything? Professional Facebreaker. You do cost 5 now. Didn't find a land. That's sad. End the turn. This guy's good at ending games. What is our opponent gonna do? We have 2 3-drops, so Into the Fire is not great. Facebreaker is too expensive. Cock can be cast, but he will get hit. And he can only deal with one of the problems. Just double bounce for 4 mana. I mean, that's rude, but sure. Hmm. Yeah, keep that Facebreaker honest. And in the turn. I need to draw land. Fairly quickly, too. 1 damage a turn. Might get the job done.
When this war is over, we will finally rest. This is for the fallen.
I actually think we take Explosion Expansion. Just because it technically hits 2 spells with that. And that's really good. We are significantly mana screwed, though. Our opponent is also mana screwed, but they have a Planeswalker that can search up lands. So, they won't be mana screwed for long. Whereas we are guaranteed the screw. I keep that blue. If I can't have lands, you can't have lands. In turn. Poor Boo's gonna die. Ill-timed explosion. What are we discarding? 3? The better use of that spell. Yeah, 3. Everything dies. And you get another land. Goodness. If I could pay, I would. But my deck has small creatures, opponent. I'm nearly guaranteed to rip one off the top. It's another blue source. We are tapped. Oh, finally. Mr. Panharmonicon. Really? Okay. Sure. I wouldn't. I wouldn't let a Panharmonicon pass, but the fairy.
The duel doesn't mean we have to be overly
Card.
serious. Now that is an interesting
Put loyalty on him. Um, what are your thoughts on this, opponent? Land destruction. You gotta not let this happen. I mean, if you wanted to have blue mana, probably shouldn't have let me cast that. If this is a saw it coming, which I think it is saw it coming. Uh, if it is a saw it coming, why did we not counter? That makes no sense. I'm gonna play a Primeval Titan next turn if I can. Like, I can't, but what can you do? Are they gonna discard their hand? Are they gonna discard their hand to kill my acidic slime? Typo Tice Error is a strange man who scares me. Any planeswalker with a -12 is scary. Ouch.
relax. This is supposed to be fun.
You could have paid a bunch of life upon him. It was possible.
There is much the past can teach us.
They don't have any non-basic lands. My land destruction plan has kind of stopped working. Although I could just go get an exile-based creature, a Blinkon, and solve our problems that way. It's a land. We like lands here. We're gonna crack our food. Okay. Life is important. That much is true. Ouch. 3 damage. Rona's gonna have to be hit this turn. But first we try this. I would like to put 4 lands from my library onto the battlefield on it. It was a saw it coming. You see, I knew it was a saw it coming. Um, Goodbye, Rona. You can block and kill something, opponent. But I don't see a way for you to save the Rona with the amount of mana you have left. Back up to 20. I might have to draw. gonna put a counter on this so that I get more of these. And I guess we're fighting. Because fighting is the best thing we can do. Draw 2 cards and discard. Yeah, we can't let an Urabrask do anything. I think we're doing okay. All things considered, I think we're doing okay. Block. Um, well, I actually can give this haste. Let's go fight that guy. Go fight that guy. Oh, look at that. We fought him. 5-4? Sure. Huh. 8, 11, and go. Dead to fairy. Oh, God. The dragon is here. We can exile it. Alright, the dragon is not here. I thought the dragon might be here, but the winds of change have blown, and the dragon has avoided showing up. So I'm gonna go X5. Opponent. 1 mana counterspell. There you go. You hate to see it. I still just attack. Discordant. Really shouldn't have attacked with Discord. I'm glad he didn't die, but there's the dragon. And a dragon spark reactor. Is Teferi scary, or is that dragon just scary enough that I 4? That I exile him instead. Oh, I get them both. Never mind. What am I? Oh, first things first. Grab a Skyclave apparition, which double triggers. One for that. For that. Take that. Sword. Fiend Hunter. Hunter. Take action. I don't think Fiend Hunter. Yeah, I think it goes back to the command phone, so we're not worried. Having a toolbox can be useful. If it was a blue mana, we might be dead. That is how scary old Niv Mizzet is. GG. Alright. It was a very long game one. Maybe we can get in a shorter game too. We'll see. Well, I muted myself there for the end. That sucks. It was a bit of a rough ending of the game. If you enjoyed, remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.